In this video, we can talk about top 5 CovertKit alternatives and competitors. Hey all, welcome to our Alternatives channel. In this video, we are glad to present you with the top 5 alternatives of CovertKit, which include MailChimp, GetResponse, Brevo, Moose, and MailerLite. If you're searching for innovative solutions to elevate your email marketing strategies, these options will help meet your requirements more feasibly. Without further ado, let's dive into this insightful showcase of the best CovertKit alternatives. Let's start with MailChimp. As a leading email marketing platform, MailChimp empowers businesses with a comprehensive suite of tools to automate and manage their email campaigns. It offers features like a by-B testing, personalized onboarding, and pre-built templates. With its user-friendly interface, businesses can effortlessly create eye-catching emails using customizable templates and drag-and-drop editing. MailChimp's standout feature lies in its intuitive email builder, allowing you to design visually appealing emails without any coding expertise. The second one on our list is GetResponse. GetResponse is a feature-rich email marketing platform designed to help businesses of all sizes. It offers an array of features like marketing automation, website builder, and SMS marketing. Businesses can leverage its user-friendly interface to create personalized email campaigns that resonate with their target audience. One of the standout features of GetResponse and what makes GetResponse shine is its conversion funnel feature, which enables users to craft customized customer journeys by seamlessly integrating automated emails and maximizing conversions. Moving on to Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one email marketing and SMS marketing platform. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. Its intuitive email editor, coupled with advanced segmentation options, empowers users to deliver highly targeted messages to specific audiences. And one of the standout features of Brevo that makes it unique is its user-friendly approach, offering effortless campaign creation and real-time monitoring. Fourth one is Moose. Simplifying the process of creating and managing email campaigns, Moose is an email marketing platform that has a strong focus on audience management. It offers key features like personalization, reporting and analysis, marketing automation, and newsletter editor. It allows users to segment their audience based on specific criteria like behavior, demographics, and preferences. Moose's standout feature is its AI-powered product recommendation engine, which analyzes user behavior and purchase history to generate personalized product recommendations. Last but not the least, we have MailerLite. MailerLite is an email marketing tool that combines simplicity with powerful features and offers a user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners and small businesses. It offers exclusive features like email verifier automation, newsletter editors, and website builder. Its straightforward email editor, featuring pre-designed templates and a drag-and-drop interface, makes creating professional-looking emails a breeze. A standout feature of MailerLite is its responsive email templates, ensuring that emails are optimized for all devices, enhancing the user experience. Compared to CovertKit, MailChimp offers a broader range of marketing tools and empowers businesses to create engaging and targeted email campaigns to optimize your strategies. GetResponse goes beyond email marketing and excels with its robust automation capabilities. You can create personalized customer journeys and automate repetitive tasks. Brevo provides SMS marketing, chat, and CRM features that allows businesses to reach their audience through various communication channels and maintain consistent engagement. Moose focuses majorly on designing high-converting landing pages that complement email campaigns. MailerLite is a top-notch email marketing platform that provides an all-in-one dashboard for viewing the overall performance of campaigns. After thorough research and considering the unique features and capabilities of each alternative, we would recommend GetResponse as the best alternative among the 5 options mentioned in the video. It not only offers a robust email marketing solution, but also provides additional features like landing page creation and webinar hosting. The inclusion of these features makes GetResponse a versatile platform for businesses looking to expand their marketing efforts and engage with their audience through various channels. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.